Hiccups, the unwanted visitor that always shows up unannounced. But fear not, there's a simple trick to send them packing. Are you ready? Here we go. Taking one big breath through the nose, then follow it up with 2 quick short breaths. Now hold your breath for 15 seconds. Count it out if you have to. Finally, exhale slowly through the mouth. And voila, the hiccups have vanished like a puff of smoke. It might sound a bit funny, but trust me, it works like a charm. So go ahead, give it a try next time you're feeling those pesky hiccups creeping up on you.